If you act arrogantly with your friend, sooner than you think, you will lose that friend. Because if your friend realizes that you act as if you are better than your friend, you're higher than your friend, your true good friend will not be comfortable with you. And this will create a distance between you and your friend. In one hadith, Al-Imam Zayn al-Abidin alayhi salam, he tells Az-Zuhari, when Az-Zuhari complained to him, the Imam told him, "Oh Zuhari, whenever you find the shaitan whispering in your heart, telling you that you're better than your friends, this is how you resist the whispering of the shaitan. Oh Zuhari, you have three types of friends. The first type of friends are those who are older than you. When you see those friends who are older than you, tell yourself, they are better than me because they have beat me to faith and iman. They're older than me, so they believed before me. So they did good before me, hence they're better than me. The second type of friends are those friends who are younger than you. If you have a younger friend, say to yourself, my younger friends are better than me because I beat them to sins and ma'asi. I'm older than them, so I committed the sins first. I made the mistakes before they did. Therefore, from this aspect, from this regard, they are better than me. And the third type of friends are those who are the same age with you. If you see your friends who are of the same age, this is what you tell yourself. I am certain about my mistakes. I have no doubts. There is no certain I committed those sins and committed those mistakes. But as for my friend, I'm not sure. I have doubts. Maybe my friend did not commit a mistake and I think he or she committed a mistake. Maybe my friend can justify what he did. Maybe it's a possibility. You can't place your hand on the Quran and say, Wallahi, he made a mistake. No, maybe he did not make a mistake. So take your certainty, the certainty that you know you made a mistake, and forgo the doubt about your friend. The Imam was teaching Az-Zuhari how to feel humble. When you look at your friends, always view yourself in this way. With this humbleness, brothers and sisters, you can sustain a true friendship. A true wonderful friendship in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.